Welcome to our guide on Counter-Strike 2, where we dive into winning competitive matches. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned player, understanding the strategies can make a big difference in your success. Map control is crucial in Counter-Strike 2. By positioning your team effectively, you not only control the flow of the game but also create opportunities for ambushes and strategic plays. Effective communication can make or break a team. Use your microphone to convey important information, and don't underestimate the power of good call-outs. Managing your economy is vital. Knowing when to save and when to spend can swing momentum in your favor, leading to more opportunities for your team. Game sense involves reading your enemy's behavior and patterns. Whether they're aggressive or passive, understanding their strategy helps you counter effectively. Utilizing your utilities effectively can control engagements. Smokes can block vision, flashes can blind opponents, and grenades can force them out of cover. Every player has unique strengths. Identify your role, be it entry fragger, support, or sniper, and play to those strengths to enhance team effectiveness. Every match can change with a single round. Be ready to adapt your strategy based on what your opponents are doing. Reviewing your matches and learning from your mistakes is essential. Identify your shortcomings and work on improving them for next time. To succeed in Counter-Strike 2, focus on communication, map control, economic decisions, and adaptability. Keep practicing, and you'll see your skills improve.